Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to undo delete for me command in WhatsApp. Friends, sometime while deleting message in WhatsApp, we accidentally delete only our message instead of deleting message for everyone. So now to reverse this command, now there is a simple feature available in WhatsApp. Like for example, if I want to delete this message, so I have selected this message and now I will press on delete button. Now I have three options: delete for everyone, delete for me and cancel. So friends, sometimes we accidentally delete for me instead of pressing delete for everyone, because once this message is deleted from our chat, we will not be able to delete message from others chat. So if you have accidentally pressed delete for me, then now you can reverse this command by pressing undo immediately. I just show you. Like I press on delete for me. Now this I need to press on undo to undo my command. Otherwise, if I have not pressed undo immediately, then this message will be deleted only from my chat and later I will not be able to delete this message from others chat. Now select again, press on delete button and press on delete for everyone. Now this message will be deleted from everyone's chat. So friends, like this you can very easily undo delete for me command in WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.